Today we have BioBlitz coming in, and they're going to be working with the 5th graders from Bowling Green schools, and this is Crim Elementary School. So we've got all of the 5th graders who were unfortunately unable to go to outdoor education camp this year due to the pandemic. So they're going to be going through and identifying plants and animals throughout the park, and they're using an app called iNaturalist, where they can use that app to take a photo of something, and then it goes into an international database, and it'll figure out what it is, but it's going to give the parks a really good idea of what's actually here. We have a pretty good idea, but you never know. We can find something really interesting and new, and with the help of all these kids, they're going to be right in there with the insects and with whatever other animals they can find, whatever plants they can find. And this is a really interesting collaboration between Bowling Green Schools, Bowling Green Parks and Recreation, BGSU, Globe, the Toledo Zoo is here.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
But really, we're doing a study to see if the temperatures, the air temperature, the soil temperature, and the temperature right at the surface is hotter or cooler in the prairie as compared to other places.
This data in this station from the GLOBE program goes to NASA. They look at it and they use it for helping to make their models better and to help answer questions about our planet. And then iNaturalist data goes to scientists who sign up to help monitor and log and identify those species. Right here, this is the GLOBE station, and students are doing a study where they're comparing the prairie to the woods to the trail in terms of surface temperature, soil temperature, and air temperature. The bee house station, where they're making bee houses for native bees to keep them here to pollinate and help the prairies. And then there's a station on iNaturalist where they're doing a BioBlitz to help catalog all the plants and animals that they find here on the prairie. I love it when kids are out in nature helping the world and exploring and collecting data that will be used by somebody somewhere. And I love the fact that we have young learners and university students who are going to be teachers together working side by side.